Yeah.
Want to save some time and money on your real food cooking journey?
Yeah, of course I do. How do I do it?
Frozen veggies!
Oh, frozen veggies?
Yeah,
That saves?
yeah.
How?
Well, it saves time because it's already prepped.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Especially if you're using them for cooking.
Yeah, makes sense.
Tastes the same as fresh.
Yeah.
And oftentimes it's less expensive than fresh. Especially if you want to buy organic.
Okay, that makes sense.
What are you going to do with your savings?
You know what? I'm gonna spend more time in the gym and pump more iron.
Sure you are.
Oh yeah, I mean it takes a lot of work to look like this, Marzi.
I think you might pump some chips into your mouth instead.
Yeah, I'd probably do that too. I might just do that, really. Anyway, thank you for the tip.
Yeah, anytime.
Yeah.